Hey there gamers, and welcome back to Crimson Desert. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get into the Cloudmist Cave waterfall. So first things first, you need to obviously come to the top of the waterfall just here, and I'm just going to use this as a reference, and basically from here you will see that there's actually a ledge about halfway down, and if I just jump off here and I'll show you as we fall down slowly here, this will help you see the ledge a bit easier. It's on the left side of the waterfall as we come down, and you can see as well that there is this little statue character just here that I'm standing next to. And what we want to do from here in order to actually get in is go ahead and take our sword out, and then what we want to do is charge a stab motion. So I'm using a keyboard, and for the keyboard it's shift right click, and you can see there that the stab just charged. I'm going to play that once more just so we get a clear view of that. You can see that the sword is just lit up and we have that zing noise. That means that the stab is charged, and all you want to do is come over to the waterfall, charge up the stab, point at the waterfall, and there we go. We go straight through it, and that allows you to then get the loot. So I really hope that this tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.